In this precise moment, I would like to pay my contribution towards the agenda of nature conservation through this presentation of mine. The term conservation in this rapid modernizing and industrial era is the toughest target faced by the revolution, and when it talks about the vast nature, it is even more complex. But as it can't be ignored, let's divide the initiative into the constituent aims. The Mother Nature has created quantitative diversities of living organisms, the life necessities of biosphere and the glaciers, the indicators of the alarming situations. So let's begin our motive with one of the greatest elements of the nature surrounding us, the flora, the forest, the home of innumerable creatures, our resources of wood, food, industrial products, and before everything, providers of oxygen we inhale. The balances of ecosystem helping in soil, land, atmosphere conservation. The key is planting them more and cutting them less. And unfortunately, the present scenario is reverse. We are obviously not the only species with the right to live, and the environmental destruction we make by cutting down the forest, for example, shows that we have forgotten the vast diversity of animals, birds, insects who have equal role in ecology. The contamination of the water bodies is another issue which we can't hide. The Earth's surface is 71% water covered, out of which only about 3 to 4% is fresh. The 96 to 97% is the salty ocean water which we cannot take in drinking, cropping, and industrial purposes. This world of marine life has been put to threats by us. Land degradation depicts that we are least bothered about the place where we grow our food and where we live. The land on earth has blessed us with beautiful and purposely near variations of plains, grasslands, mountains, valleys, and plateaus. Steps towards soil conservation will add to nature conservation. If most of the steps of ours can head towards destroying the colorful nature, then avoiding fuel transports, greenhouse effect causing air conditioners, carbon products, garbage in water bodies, and increasing the use of 3Rs, reduce, reuse, recycle, planting trees, and other sustainable measures will help us grow. Also, the role of government will get a major plot. More and more policies limiting environmental hazards like pollution and conservation of animal species, combined with strict formulations and legal actions on their violations, must be done. The most of the harms to our nature is made by the industries and mines working under private companies. Internal formulation with respect to the environment during such construction, likewise using non-renewable resources of energy is necessary. Lastly, let's include the indicators of climate change, the melting of glaciers, which are the source of fresh water, and dissolve the ocean water, which also raises the water level. We must realize that such concerns will relieve all the living organisms and our Mother Nature. Thank you so much.